Hello, what is up mga mom, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Blockies Venom Marvel Rivals na action figure. Alright, first step is to use Bosni Spray Paint Flat Black. Ito yung primer na gagamitin natin para yung other paints will stick to the surface. Ang recommended curing time niya around 8 to 12 hours. Alright, after that we are going to use Hero Paints Water-Based Acrylic Primer Matte White. Okay, mag-apply naman tayo ng dry brushing technique dun sa surface para magkaroon tayo ng white na base for our anti-venom. Ay, hindi. Ano na pala to? Hyper orange. Kasi pag black yung base natin, tapos nag-apply tayo ng orange, medyo muddy yung color. So, we need a lighter base. Alright, kaya black yung ginamit kong primer para meron tayong shadows. So kaya din dry brushing yung ginagawa natin ngayon so that yung paint mapapahiran niya yung mga nakaangat na surface, that will be our highlights, and yung mga naka-recess na areas, yun yung mga shadows natin. Yan, so ganito yung appearance niya. And then next will be warm red. Ito yung base for our orange. So let's just apply warm red dun sa white naman. Mas vibrant yung red natin since lighter naman yung base. So, ganun yung technique na gagawin natin. We're going to apply layers and layers of paint para ma-achieve yung hyper orange na color. And then after that, we are going to use orange from Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for always sponsoring our videos for custom repaint projects. If you want to know more about Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Lazada or Shopee. Meron silang store. And then search nyo lang sa search bar, Hero Paints, Hiro Paints. And then next step, we are going to use lemon yellow para naman magkaroon ng konting highlights. Apply lang natin siya dun sa shoulders, sa biceps, and sa chest, kung saan tinatamaan siya ng most amount of light. And then after that, we are going to use whites with ultra white stronger coverage para naman dun sa toxin effect niya. And then gumamit din ako ng yellow and fluorescent orange para dun sa kanyang toxin effect. Ang ganda ng mga fluorescent paints ni Hero Paints. Usually, nag-work siya against a lighter background or a lighter base. So if you're going to use fluorescents, recommended yung magpatong muna kayo ng white. And then yung last step, Hero paints white para naman dun sa logo. I'm using a smaller brush para mas specific yung brushwork natin kasi ginagawa na natin yung logo, Venom logo dun sa chest and dun sa stomach area. Alright, so yun mga ma'am, sir, ma'am, done na tayo sa ating Hyper Orange Venom na action figure. Thank you very much, Blockies, for making these awesome Venom. Ganda ng Venom na Marvel Rivals na action figure na ginawa nyo. Super cool. Meron na tayong tatlo. So, meron tayong blue, hyper orange, and anti-venom. Yung anti-venom kakatapos ko lang. So, yun na yung next na i-review natin. Or rather, gagawa ng video tutorial. Okay? So, yun lang mga ma'am sir. That's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.